I recently watched a curl specialist using number 1 and number 2 as a standalone treatment. This is me following those directions, and I'll link that video below. Her name is Kristen Brown. She's at Curl Factor on Instagram, and she is a global ambassador for Olaplex, but she's also a celebrity curl specialist. Love her work. You should follow her on Instagram and check her out. It's the way I was actually struggling midway through this. The bottle I was squeezing for dear life, but we got there. We finally got to the top. Now I'm combining the number 1 with the 3 ounces of distilled water, and I am just going to swish that around and make sure they are nice and mixed. So I'm doing this Olaplex treatment on my Mizani air cut hair, and that lasted me about 3 to 4 days. If you have not seen that video, go ahead and check that out. It was a fun video. I enjoyed it. But now it is time to do a treatment. I was co-washing pretty consistently for about 5 days out of the week because I go to the gym, I sweat in my head a lot. I felt like it was helping my hair. So that's what I was doing. I liked it. It was working out, and doing my bond builder treatments are going to be 100,000% necessary if I'm going to be co-washing. So as I said in that video, I was on a co-washing kick, and that was the first week. I was like, oh, I wonder what would happen if I co-washed for 5 straight days and then shampooed on the 6th day, and then just continued to do that since I'm in the gym super heavy. Sweat a lot at my scalp. My scalp gets super irritated and itchy when I leave sweat on it. I sit in the sauna. Like it's a lot. My hair gets weighed down. I don't necessarily like to just leave that in my hair. And that week of co-washing taught me that, okay, maybe not every day, maybe every other day, but I know that I don't like going more than 3 days without doing some kind of refresh. So I like the midweek co-washing for sure. I might do the every other day. It just depends on the products that I use, honestly, but that works for me really well. And because that works for me really well, I'm going to continue with my bond builder treatments and implementing K18 and Olaplex, using them at different times, of course, on different wash days, because one is a little more quicker. The other one might not be super quick, but I know it works and I enjoy using it because I know it works for me. I'll do it every other week. So 1 week I'll use Olaplex, the next K18, Olaplex, K18. That will be the cadence. Clearly Olaplex has more steps, therefore it takes more time. K18 is super quick. Both brands have their own patented technology, so I find it beneficial to use both of them. It just depends on how much time you have. I had a bit left over, so I just put it on my crown and then sprayed the rest on the rest of my hair. This is where I do it in the shower because the number 1 can't be airborne, so it's easier to do where you can make a mess as opposed to the number 0 that you can spray. I let that sit in my hair for about 15-16 minutes, and then I got back in the shower to add the number 2 on top. You probably already noticed that I decided not to shampoo like I usually do before using Olaplex just because I didn't feel like it. I still stand by the fact that I think that this treatment is better on clean hair, but hey, I decided to use it as it's recommended to be used as like a pre-poo treatment before shampooing. I think it's recommended that way just so you're not doing the same step over again, so you're not shampooing twice. I think that can deter people from doing something if they have to redo a step. As for me, I want to do something that actually gets into my hair strands, so I don't mind the extra 10-20 minutes of shampooing my hair thoroughly before adding in this treatment. And Olaplex does work with using it just as a pre-poo treatment, but let's be real, it's so much more advantageous to use it on fresh, clean, washed hair. I added the shampoo directly to my scalp just because I wanted it to really hit my scalp. I shampooed in these twists, then took down each of the twists and shampooed my hair again, like rinsed out the shampoo that I put in my hair with the twists in, and then added in some more of the number 4 shampoo, just so I could be thorough with that first wash. Again, I did not shampoo my hair before adding in these products, and I already had products on my hair because I did use it as a pre-poo treatment. So now I'm just gonna really shampoo my hair thoroughly, each section, getting that real good. And then I'm gonna go in with the clarifying number 4C shampoo and do the same thing. Now I'm going in with the Olaplex number 8, one of my favorite deep conditioners, y'all. I have run out of this deep conditioner, but luckily I have access to the Olaplex 3-in-1. I think it's like a stronger version of the Olaplex number 8. I don't know, we'll find out, but I'm really excited to use it. I'm excited to use it. I love salon products. Y'all know this about me. I just am obsessed with salon products. So we're gonna see together. I am going back in with my Denman D38 Petite to detangle my hair once more since I have deep conditioner in it. I'm really loving that Denman again. I go back and forth on this Denman brush, but I just have been preferring it over the Felicia Leatherwood. I've been preferring it over a lot of things lately. My comb, just anything. I don't know. If I take smaller sections and I use that brush, it really gets through my hair really well. So I'm just gonna do that all throughout my hair. And I know many of y'all are like, girl, use the Tangle Teaser Ultimate Detangler. I have bought that brush so many times and I end up giving it to my nieces every time. So I don't really want to go back to it because there is a reason I give it away and I don't remember why, but everybody's like, oh, the teeth are so long. They're not that long. Like, I need a brush with a lot longer teeth. I just wish that there was a brush like the Denman, but with like double the length and teeth. It is so soft. Oh my God. I've been using Olaplex since last December and I've seen significant changes in my hair, as in my hair feels stronger, a little bit stronger each time I use it. It's not the same as the strength that I feel after a protein treatment though, but I'm counting on the technology to continue to strengthen the bonds in my hair permanently. I'm excited, y'all, but next I'm using the Miche Gel to Foam Styling Mousse with my favorite Moisture Lock leave-in conditioner, y'all. I'll see you there.